Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your freelance skills with Skillshare. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Skillshare website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Skillshare account. Use the search bar to look for freelance skills you want to enhance. Browse through the available courses in your selected area. Read course descriptions and user reviews to find the best fit for your needs. Click on a course that interests you. Check the prerequisites and course duration to ensure it matches your schedule. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll button. Once enrolled, review the course outline to understand what you'll learn. Set personal learning goals to keep yourself motivated. Begin watching the video lessons at your own pace. Take notes on key concepts and techniques. Engage with interactive assignments to practice what you've learned. Join the course's community group to connect with other learners. Participate in discussions to enhance your understanding. Complete the course by finishing all lessons and assignments. Consider applying your new skills in real projects to gain practical experience. Explore additional courses to continuously build your skill set. Regularly revisit lessons to reinforce your learning. Utilize the Skillshare app to learn on the go. Stay updated with new courses in your field to remain competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.